Guys, welcome back. This is Lego City Fan 94. Today we're going to be continuing building set number 8186 Street Extreme. So let's go. Alright. Hey. Oh my. Where did that other piece be? Oh, finally found it. Woo! Finally.
Listen anywhere with the free iHeartRadio app. No fighting. We got the refuge. No fighting. No fighting. Shakira, Shakira. She can dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama?
Oops. Okay. Nope. Ah, found it. Finally found it. Oops. There we go.
Back with the Fugees from a third world country. I go back like when I carry credit for Humpty. We need a whole club dizzy. Why the CIA wanna ride shit Colombian to Haitians? I ain't guilty, it's a musical transaction. Boop, boop, so boop, no wonder we snatch rope. Refugees run the seas cause we on our own boat. No fighting, no fighting, no fighting. Here we go.
It's a little too.
1043 My FM.
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl he sent my way. But I know the things he gives, he can take away. And I hate you every night. And that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got.
Take this apart. Oh my god. Here. Okay. Say the following numbers.
Please don't take. I found my mind, I'm still insane. It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell ya, I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. But I'm up and I'm thinking I just might lose you all. Stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need these beautiful things that I've.
Yeah, we're busy giving away Tate McRae tickets all weekend long here on My FM. Hang out for that. 10 a.m. hour, your first shot to grab those tickets to see Tate in Palm Desert, Acrisure Arena. More music, we kick it off next.
I can turn my passion into a career.
I can get hands-on training for my dream job.
I can be ready for the in-demand careers of today and tomorrow.
Learn by collaborating and exploring when you enroll at a California community college. With more than 200 career education programs at your fingertips, your future can be anything you imagine. I can make good money doing what I love. Classes can fill up quickly, so enroll today at icangotocollege.com. Get the full exterior car care experience with the Pro X1 Car Care Collection Wash Kit, only at O'Reilly Auto Parts. The kit includes all-wheel tire and cleaner, glass cleaner, snow foam car wash, and a microfiber wash mitt. Get the essentials in one box for just $19.99. Choose Pro X1 exclusively at O'Reilly Auto Parts. O'Reilly Auto Parts.
With the Subaru Love Promise, Kinman Subaru is committed to community involvement. We support our local schools and
and hospitals with donations and fundraisers. We're involved with the local animal shelters, helping provide adoptions. We honor and support our military, plus blood drives and more. By giving back, it moves us forward. Here in Subaru, we care. Timmons of Long Beach.
TimmonsSubaru.com.
You can see axolotls and other amazing amphibians at the aquarium at the Pacific's new exhibit, Frogs, Facing a Changing World. Learn all about these fascinating animals, what we're doing to save them, and what you can do to help frogs. And discover the 12,000 sea creatures like the otters, the jellies, and the penguins.
Bring the whole family to experience frogs facing a changing world at the Aquarium of the Pacific in Long Beach.
Did you know that every new Toyota comes with Toyota Care? It's a no-cost maintenance plan that covers all normal factory scheduled service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. All work is performed by factory-trained technicians using genuine Toyota parts. Toyota Care will keep your new Toyota running like, well, a Toyota. Valid only in the continental U.S. and Alaska. We make it easy. Toyota. Let's go places.
Everything you need to find your perfect Toyota is right at your fingertips at Toyota.com. Explore our full lineup of vehicles. Compare features side by side. Search our available inventory. You can even find the best local offers. Everything you need is just a few clicks away on Toyota.com. So for your next Toyota car, truck, or SUV, just visit Toyota.com. We make it easy. Toyota, let's go places.
As America's leading business lender, Bank of America is on your corner and in your corner. With over $18 billion in business loans and more than 420 business specialists right here in Southern California, we help businesses thrive so communities prosper. What would you like the power to do? Learn more at bankofamerica.com/local business. Bank of America, official bank of FIFA Club World Cup 2025. Copyright 2025 Bank of America Corporation, all rights reserved.
This is the story of the one. As a lineman, he does whatever it takes to keep the power on in his community. And he wants a partner like Grainger who does the same. Grainger offers the professional-grade products he needs, from voltage detectors to harnesses to hard hats, plus fast, dependable delivery, so he can rise to every challenge. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
One of life's greatest mysteries has finally been solved. It's Spruce, the new hard-working, worry-free weed grass killer that's safe for use around people and pets. When used as directed, spray the leaves for visible results in just 1 hour. From dead weeds in just 1 day. You spray, they play. Weeds die by the next day. Find Spruce wherever weed killers are sold.
William is one of millions of Americans who uses GoodRx to save on the cost of their prescriptions.
My oldest daughter, Camilla, 2 days old, she had to have open heart surgery. All of a sudden, she's on 5 different medications. It adds up at the end of the month. Me and the pharmacist got so tight. She said, GoodRx saved you a lot of money. Saving that extra $200-300 a month. We're able to do all these extra activities, so it puts less stress on our household, and it puts less stress on our pockets.
Download the free app or visit GoodRx.com and start saving today. GoodRx users are compensated for their time. GoodRx is not insurance, but can be used instead of insurance.
Ready to make summer 25 the best summer ever?
Kickstart your summer adventures with the $1,000 fill-up on 104.3 My FM.
Blizzard funds your unforgettable road trip.
Or pays for amazing tickets for an epic show.
Something fun with my kids and sports baseball. The options are endless. Make it a summer to remember.
Keep listening on your radio and the free iHeart app for your chance to win $1,000.
Every hour from 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. every weekday on 104.3 My FM.
Powered by Sweet Jane's Accident Attorneys. If hurt, call 1-800-9-MILLION or sweetjanes.com.
This report is sponsored by AutoZone. Get in the zone.
From the KFI 24-hour newsroom. Cloudy with a small chance of rain today. Highs are on 65 in Carson and 65 in Midway City.
Starting strong.
stronger starts at AutoZone, where they've got battery solutions in the form of free battery testing, free battery charging, and replacement batteries that fit your needs. That's what makes them America's #1 battery destination. Get in the zone. AutoZone.
All about the presets.
That is the best new feature. It's like the car radio right on the app. There's a